To enable and use predictive text feature in Samsung keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management. Tap Samsung keyboard setting. And then under smart typing section, tap the gray on off switch next to predictive text to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. To use the predictive text feature, open an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. As the example, we will use this feature while typing with English US as the input language. Now, type something. As you are typing, you can see that your phone will provide you with some suggested word above the keyboard. To see more suggestion word, tap the three horizontal dot icon. If needed, you can tap one of the suggested word to complete the word you are typing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.